Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove a YouTube account from your iPhone. So first of all, launch YouTube app. Now from here, just tap on the option of You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, simply go to the gear icon that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Here we go. Now from here, go to the option of account. Now from here, tap on the option of manage accounts on this device at the bottom. Now from here, choose the account that you wish to delete and then tap on the option of remove from this device. With that, you'll see a pop-up like this. All you have to do is tap on the option of remove, and then you will successfully be able to remove or delete that specific YouTube account from your iPhone. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.